Saan siya ron?
Ambot.
Saan siya? Wood Breeze? This is the Wood Breeze Resort where you can see lots of swimming pools and lots of, like, tunog people. Lots of, there are tunog, they're ugly. That one, she's so feeling guapa, that naka-blue. Focus her. She's so feeling guapa. And we have, like, tuba. Look at that, oh. Tuba. Or, sabi ko sa English na? Vinegar sack. Ay, coconut sack. Coconut sack. Yeah. Gagi, focus again ako na. And look at the fields. We're almost in Katagawan, guys. Oh, we're almost in Katagawan kasi you can see the cable, that taga-Bukid cable. Yeah, when you're in Bukid, you can see that cable over there and you have lots of mais and lots of tunog people. And here are the black ones. Naka-black. Ay, naka-brown. Naka-singing bee. Come along, join the party. Lululing. Pinong kayo sa singing bee ito. Baka na nag-walk on na yung sa kawayan. The party. Sing.
Singing nga na.
Oh, look at the singing pool. It's not...